everyone, my name is Soleil and we're here right now again for another book haul. These are the books that I got last week and one of the package that I've been waiting for since last week finally arrived a few minutes ago. So I'll show you all of those books. First is I discovered this book cafe at UP Town Center last Saturday. It was my first time there, and it's thrift shop books, but the place is really nice. It's a coffee shop at the same time, and I found these books, The Street of a Thousand Blossoms. The condition is really nice, and then Anne Frank, and I really love this one because for only 149, the quality of the paper is really cute. It's really nice, and the pictures are really nice as well. So even those who doesn't love reading that much will be interested to read something like this. And the good thing is, for this book cafe, for every 300 pesos that you buy, you'll get a free coffee. So coffee and books is like heaven for me, right? Next one is Bernard Cornwell. So I'm slowly collecting every book by this author because Ron, one of my friends in FB, loves his work. So I'm slowly collecting his books. And then this one, A Guide to the Wizards of the World. I've been wanting to get hold of this book and I found it with the cards. I really love these cards. So cute. So I'm just gonna show these to you. So these cards are included, and then the pages are like these. I'm not sure if you're seeing this. Dragons. So I'm just gonna insert it back. And the last one, the book that I've been waiting for, arrived just now. It's from, what's this? So let's open this one. Slowly. Slowly. Paper. I've been wanting to see. Oh my god! These are the books that I've won last month. Last month was my birthday, right? So I won this raffle from all the pretty books. And these are all Harry Potter, like Harry Potter books. Oh, it's so nice. It's here. I thought it's gonna be arriving like end of October or November, and it's here. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's so nice. It's really, oh my goodness. It's so embarrassing. I'm crying over books. Oh my, I can't contain myself. It's so nice. Ah, it's so pretty.
My
Ah,
goodness.
and it's free. I won these books. Okay, so I'm gonna do another one later because I just compose myself. It's so nice. It's so pretty, really. See, 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 see. It's so pretty.